Assalamualaikum, good morning. I'm Yala Marcela, a student from SMKIT Khairoma, who would like to present an English assignment from Ustazah Fitri Ramadhani regarding a simple report on Asia Pacific become the most producer of billionaires in the world during the pandemic. For the next 10 minutes, I will accompany you if you have anything to ask at the end of the presentation, okay? Date October 15, 2020. I have recently conducted a survey shows among about Asia Pacific becomes the most producer of billionaires in the world during the pandemic. Jakarta stock market rally that was triggered by the pandemic was able to boost the net worth of world billionaires to its peak. Currently, there are 2,189 billionaires worldwide with a total combined wealth of USD 10.2 trillion. In July 2020, Asia Pacific contributed the most number of billionaires, 831 or 38%, where the value of the wealth reached USD 3.3 trillion, according to a report by Swiss bank UBS, as reported by CNBC Thursday, 15 October 2020, then followed by America as many as 762 billionaires, 35%, and 596, 27%, spread across Europa, the Middle East, and Africa. EMEA. The findings are based on interviews and data on 2,000 billionaires in 46 stock markets. It appears that Asia Pacific maintains its global position as an engine of the wealth growth, said Anurag Mahesh of UBS Global Wealth Management. For most wealth earners, mainland China emerged as the top market with 415 billionaires, followed by India 114 billionaires, Hong Kong 16.5 billionaires, Taiwan 14 billionaires, and Australia 13.9 billionaires. This year, most the growth in billionaires will be closely correlated with the market recovery, where the assets of the very rich are usually tied up in public companies where they invest. However, from 2019 until the peak of this decline in April 2020, ASEAN billionaires' wealth appeared relatively straight, dropping only 2.1% compared to 10.2% in EMEA and 7.4% in America. Asia Pacific home the world's top tech and healthcare billionaires, accounting for 181 billionaires, 8% of the total billionaires population, compared with 153 billionaires, 7% in America, and 18.8 billionaires, 4% in EMEA. According to a report, 209 billionaires donate a total of USD 7.2 billion during the pandemic from March to June 2020. A total of 175 billionaires, or 76%, provide financial donors. Meanwhile, 25 billionaires, or 19%, are makers who use their manufacturing lines to produce equipment. For example, then 10 of them, 5%, are impact entrepreneurs who contribute to long-term strategies such as finding a vaccine. Conclusion: during the pandemic, Asia Pacific became a very large producer of billionaires in the world and also in other countries in the producer billionaires, but not as much as Asia Pacific. Thank you very much for your attention, ladies and gentlemen. Wassalamualaikum.